Mark with TapeTech. Today we're going to show you some of the features of the TapeTech MudDog Premium Banjo. So let's unbox it and show you what we have. Just open the unit up, side here, pop this out. Some nice packaging. Get the unit out. Got a nice decal for the MudDog. Inside here we have one little parts kit, and this parts kit has a couple features that we're going to show you in a minute. So be sure to keep this aside. Some of the features on the unit are the ergonomic handle. The handle is soft and it's rounded here so you can hold it at different angles so it's comfortable to your hand. The adjustment straps, so if you run this unit with your right hand or with your left hand, your thumb fits firmly here comfortably, and you can adjust the strap with Velcro here very easily, so it's nice and firm and tight to your hand. It's very lightweight, okay? So this is very easy to adjust. To fill the tool, we have this door latch here, and it's latched here. We'll just pop it open, and it opens up where, of course, the material is in here. We'll load that, and then back here is where we would add our tape. So we have a tape spool holder. So the tape just pops on and is press fitted onto here. We'll show you later how to fill that up, but the tape would basically fill through the banjo as a normal banjo would be used. Close this back up, down. The unique feature on the TapeTech Premium Banjo is this roller feature that's added onto the tool. So if you're running ceiling flat joints or wall joints, you can use this set of wheels here. There's 3 of them. They're hard plastic, but they're soft enough to push the tape into the joint. Or we have this wheel here for internal angles. Now, if you want to use angles, you simply lift up on this, rotate it, and we can run angles easily. If you want to go back to running a flat, you just certainly rotate it back, and we have this position here. Now, this adapter bag here, this bag that has this adapter, has a blade. This is for a traditional banjo, so it has a serrated edge for cutting the tape. It also has this adapter fitting that we'll show you how to put that on. What we want to do to add this blade, we'd have to remove this roller feature. And basically what we do is unthread this, remove. There's a spring here. You just remove the spring, set that off to the side, and then this feature will just pop off. Now what we'll do is we'll take the blade itself, place the round hole over here. This will rotate, and this is where this adapter comes into place. You have these 2 little posts here that will fit in to these 2 square pegs here. Push this in, we'll reinstall the threaded bolt. Now this time we're going to tighten it all the way up so that it's firm, so this won't move. Now we can grab our tape and we can cut it with a serrated edge.